Soft steps hidden as the hours slide by. Shadows move where the fences stand. Stillness kept by a steady hand. Eyes that watch through the quiet air, listening close for a shift somewhere. Holding space in a grounded way, keeping calm as the night holds sway. Standing strong where the lines are drawn, holding steady until the dawn. In the hush where the world slows down, keeping balance on sacred ground. Gentle wind through the open gate, patience living in the choice to wait. Breath held soft in a mindful state, knowing stillness can navigate. Every sound has a tale to tell, every moment a place to dwell. Inner strength in the calm inside, guiding choices through the turning tide. Standing strong where the lines are drawn, holding steady until the dawn. In the hush where the